Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps on Asus Zenbook. And to do this we'll need to click on the Start and open our settings. Here find the apps, select apps and the features. Now there's a list of all of the apps that are installed on your laptop. You can search for them right here to uninstall. For example, we're gonna go for Google Chrome. Now next to the app there's this three dots. We're gonna click on that and uninstall the app. So each of the apps might have different uninstallation process, so it won't be the same as I have right here. But when you're finished with the uninstallation process, it should be gone from the apps, like Chrome right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.